Welcome again to Paadam Padikalam. Today, 5th Standard Science, Term 3, Unit 1, Our Environment. We are going to continue the lesson as the topic poultry farms. Previously, we learned about cattle breed and buffalo breed. Today, we are going to learn about poultry farms. Poultry farming is the form of animal husbandry which raises domesticated birds such as chicken, ducks, turkey and geese to produce meat or eggs for food. It has originated from the agricultural era. Mostly chicken are farmed in great numbers. In poultry farms, avian species, avian also is a bird, especially chicken kept on a farm, and breed for the purpose of egg, meat or both. Fowls also like hen, ducks, geese, turkeys and some varieties of pigeon are the most commonly reared species. Chicken occupy 90% of the total poultry. Broiler or young chicken of either which are reared primarily for meat purpose and marketed at an age of 6 to 8 weeks. Poultry birds grown for meat are called broilers. Now layers. Layer, the management of birds during 21 to 72 weeks of age for the purpose of laying eggs. Layers are the female fowls grown for egg production. The poultry industry is important in providing a balanced diet for human population. Proper management of poultry includes methods of catching, rearing, housing, sanitation, prevention of diseases and a sound marketing system. In Tamil Nadu, famous poultry farms are found in places like Namakkal, Palladam and Chennai. I'll repeat once again. In Tamil Nadu, famous poultry farms are found in places like Namakkal, Palladam and Chennai. Now we are going to learn about breeds. There are 4 pure Indian breeds of chicken are available. They are Asal, Chittagong, Basra and Kadaknath. Asal is only for fighting. There are more than 100 breeds of fowls. Fowls also is a bird. Fowls are classified on the basis of their utility to man. They are meat type. Already we learned about broiler and layer. Chicken are grown for their eggs and meat. Likewise, they are classified as egg type chicken and meat type chicken. Egg type chicken are composed of stock that has been developed for egg production and are maintained for the principal purpose of producing chickens for the ultimate production of eggs for human consumption. Breeds of meat type chicken primarily include broilers, fryers, roasters and etc. Now, dual type Asal, Chittagong, Gagas, Basra, Brahma and Cochin are some of the breeds found in our country. Local and indigenous birds are reared in rural places. Traditionally, these birds have a poor meat production capacity compared to commercial broilers and layers. But meat and egg from this type of poultry is better than the other commercial poultry. Now we are going to learn about feeding. Poultry birds need protein, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins for egg and meat production. What are the things we will give for feeding? Bajra, barley, maize, wheat, rice bran, jowar, oil cake, fish meal, bread and green residues of vegetables are the feed given to the poultry birds. Poultry products. How many of you know about poultry products? You can give me some of the poultry products. Poultry birds benefits us in many ways. Egg, meat and manure are the three main benefits we get from them. Poultry birds are good source of nutritive food. Eggs laid by them are rich source of protein. These are essential digestible. They contain minerals like calcium, potassium and iron, vitamins and moderate amount of fat. Their feathers are used for making pillows and quilts. Dropping of the poultry birds is used as a manure. It's highly valuable for crops. Poultry diseases. In poultry, animals are not cared for or fed properly. They suffer from a number of diseases. Poultry birds affected by virus suffer from fever and diarrhea. Fall cholera is caused in them by bacteria. Overexposure to wet and cold conditions causes cramps in poultry birds. Poultry birds are affected by internal parasites like roundworm and tapeworm. They are also affected by external parasites like fleas, lice, ticks and more. How to manage poultry management? Poultry birds need a clean environment. Poultry houses should be clean. It should have windows for ventilation. Light is essential for high egg production. Poultry birds need clean and fresh water. Timely vaccination is necessary to prevent diseases.